Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart Data Learners. Today, we will look into the uh, finding out the second highest sales amount from our sales table. How to show the second highest sales amount from the sales table. So here we have done that, and let me show you what we were trying to see, trying to do here. This is our table, and these are the our sales amounts, and these are the sales ranking. So you see, we have the top number is this product with the sales of 1.205 million or 1,205,876 something. Okay, and the second is this. So here we will use a card. Here we will use the card box to show our card visual to show the second highest amount from this table, right? We can show. So we have to create two measures here. We created two measures, and let's do this in our. We'll do that in our this page. So here we will have our data, and we will create. First of all, we have to create the measure for the ranking of these. These are the sales amounts. We have to rank these. What number is this? What's the top and what's the second and third and fourth, right? So, so here we will use our rank X function. That's our sales rank function, and I will show you. We'll create this again. See that. We'll create a new measure. Sales ranking. For the sales ranking, we will use rank X function, and then we will use this all selected, all selected our table number, table name is our merge one, comma, and then we will calculate CAL calculate function. We will use the calculate function, and in the calculate function we will summarizes the merge fact internet sales amount. Sales amount. and then we will comma, and then we will use so we want in the descending order. See, comma, and then we have to use dense. We will go in depth for the ranking function. We have already made a video for the ranking function before. I will give you the link for that to brief you on how this ranking function works and all these details, right? Okay. So we have done that. So this is our sales ranking. So we have this sales ranking function completed. Let's add that. If we're ranking number one, so you see there we have the top is top one sale is 1205 and second is 1202. So we will use a card. For secondly, we now have to select the second one, right? So for this, we need to create another Meyer. We need to create another Meyer. And for this Meyer, we will use the formula second highest. So formula second highest. So in the second highest, let's create that new Meyer. New Meyer. Second HGST highest is equal to, here we will use the calculate function, calculate, then calculate, and then we will have to use summarize our MC merge one sales amount, and then here, then comma, and then we will use another function which is a filter all selected, merge merge one comma merge merge one calculate some merge one. Let's see why it's not working here. Calculate some merge filter all selected, merge one, sales ranking. Now we have that. I think we were making a mistake, but now we can have this one. Sales ranking. And now we'll use the filter of, we will use our Meyer here. You see, we created the Meyer sales ranking. We will use here, and then we will use this. See what that. Okay. So now we'll use the card here, and in this card we'll use, this one. Okay. So now we have selected this Meyer, which is that this is giving us the second highest. So let's change that to see if which is actually the second highest. We have to increase some digits. Okay. So that is now that shows that our second highest amount is 1.202. Let's further tweak this formula to see what it does. Second highest. Let's make it a third. You see now it will give us the third highest amount. So that's the very that's the formula basically we created. First we created the rankings, and then we filtered these ranking from highest amount. Like from this, we use the calculate function to summarize the internet sales amount, then comma, and then we filter all selected from this table, and then comma we use our sales ranking function and then selected the third number. So whenever which number ever we put, we will have the amount for the sales for this one. So this is a very handy formula when we have to use first, second, third sales in our visuals. So I thought that is a very useful function and created the video for on that, dedicated to that. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share this. Thanks and have a great day.